Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making caramel popcorn. So this is how it looks like. Stay tuned and let's get started. These are the ingredients we are using for today's caramel popcorn. We have 1 cup of popcorn kernels, half cup of granulated sugar, half cup of butter, and we have a 1/4 tablespoon of salt. We have our vanilla essence, so use a tablespoon. This is my homemade salted caramel sauce. You can check out the full recipe on the channel. A spare bowl. Then we use a wooden spoon and then our non-stick pan here. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Onto our stove, we place our non-stick pan and then we'll add in the butter. The butter is melted. We are going to add in the popcorn kernels. Mix it with the butter. Then we'll allow it pop on its own as we close it with the lid. Our popcorn is almost ready. You can see that it's still popping. So this is how it looks like. So these are our popcorn. I'm going to take it off the source of heat. We are going to fetch them into our bowls and then we'll add the caramel sauce to it. So these are the popcorns we obtained. We are going to add the sugar coating to it. Then we'll introduce the caramel sauce to it as well. The saucepan, we'll add the sugar, the salt, then we'll mix until evenly combined and then it melts into a liquid form. This is how it looks like. We're going to add in the caramel sauce and then we'll mix it together. Then we'll add in the popcorn. Then mix it with the sauce. So we'll add our vanilla. So this is how it looks like. We are going to serve it into our bowls here. You can see that it has crumpled up, so we have to just use the spatula to kind of break it apart. So you just break it apart with your fingers, kind of separating it. And here you have it. Our caramel popcorn is ready. Just look at that. And it tastes amazing. Try this recipe and let me know how it was in the comment section. Don't forget to use my salted caramel sauce here, which I made from scratch at home, and the recipe is readily available on the channel. Check them out and then try it. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.